Okay guys, so now as you can see we have the pen. As you can see the box is fine, and this is the branding NovoPen, and this is the logo and also the branding, and this is the seal of the box. You can just remove the seals, and now we are going to open the box. Now opening. Wait for a few seconds please. We are opening now. Okay, we are ready to go. Just open your box, and here we go. You have a box inside the main box. As you can see, this is the branding, and this is a nice box with the blue color, and this is the barcode. And if we open or remove the case, now as you can see, this is a pouch. It's a nice pouch, and here these are the documentations comes with the pen. So how can you use the pen? So this is the documentations, and as you can see, just leave it, and this is the box. Sorry, this is the documentations book. You can read the documentations. How can you use this device? Step by steps guide available in the book. So how can you use, how can you open, and how can you refill with your insulin? So as you can see, this is pen, and remove this one, and you have a needle, you have a refill, and here you have some cautions, you have some important notes, and also a lot of documentations available here. If you open this one, as you can see, this is the quick guide. How can you start? Fine, I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, so this is the quick guide available. How can you use, how can you refill, and how can you inject the insulin. And the pouch is very nice condition. It's a blue color, and you have a zip, and as you can see, this is the branding. I'm going to open this one. This is the pen. This is the first look of the pen, and it comes with the box. It's a nice, and here we go. So this is the first look. As you can see, here is the point. You can change the point as you required. Just open this one. This is the cap, as you can see, and now here is the refill options or the indications. This is the branding available on the back side of the pen, and here as you can see, when you spin, you can adjust the points, how much amount of insulin you are going to inject. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the insulin pen.